Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a black mirror design telephone dial in Zirc. Here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But hey, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content that I'm bringing to you guys. Would you look at that? This guy, it's brand new, comes with this pretty cool yellow hard case, and underneath here, yeah, you have the certificate of authenticity, which states the material, the number. There's 50 made of these, and that's the number 23. And of course, you've got your key here to take this guy apart. We're gonna check it in a second. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this guy. So we're gonna need some knife with a little bit of Zirc going on to open this one, and we're gonna open it like from this part over here, and let's check this out, guys. This is exciting. This is the Zirc one, and it's very, very interesting. Of course, 23 of 50 made, and okay, that's very nice. I can tell already the sound is different. I had the brass, and it had a very different feel and heft to it. But let's quickly check the size of this guy right over here. Let's see. Diameter is going to be 1.81 inches, and the thickness at the thickest level is going to be 0.49 inches, so you have an idea of the size. But let me just compare it up against a couple options. That's the Gamer Pro by ACDC, and here you've got another ACDC product. That's the Start, another pretty cool spinner. Here you have the Muji, that's the Guy one, another amazing one. And let me show you just another couple Zirc goodness. Here you got the Tom EDC Mahjong. That's the mini donut, also Zirc, but brushed, so you can see a different finish from the brush. That's the mini donut from ACDC. Another pretty cool one is the Lauti. That's the Shuffle, a pair of kings. What else? Taken coin by Umbury, haptic coin, and another classic, and then I'm done, I promise. That's the Bulletproof Shield by Wu and EDC Lung. And what else can I show you? NJT Hand Power, that's the Damasteel UFO coin, and I think you have an idea of the size of this guy. But let's quickly check the look, because this is the Zirc version, and I'm already seeing it to be like a fingerprint magnet, but it's nice because it's Zirc and it's nice and shiny. When it's clean, I love it. Look at that. Very, very cool toy. So this, you know, I mean, the sound is loud, yes. Very loud, probably louder than... No, actually, this is still the loudest. This is crazy loud, but this, yeah, it's a different loudness. But this one can be disassembled. So, like, you take this guy apart, okay, and then you unscrew this outer piece right over here, if you can. Maybe we need to tackle this first. Let's see, because I like this. I like the sound of this guy, but I prefer. So this you just do like that. Here you go. So this one comes out. I prefer this guy, to be honest, without the sound and just has a spinner, because I don't know, it's just me. So you have this retainer here. This should pop out. The bearings also popping out. You have this, which should come undone like so. So we're gonna do also a maintenance and disassemble video. Over here, you've got this, which is like just like a cover, and then you've got this piece, which to be removed, it's gonna require you to use some tools. Just use something like that. You see, like plastic tool. So you remove this guy, and then this is gonna stop making the noise. So like for example, you can do this and then just pop this guy back into his place. Actually, I think we could remove even the bearings, but it's okay, we can just leave them there. I'm just gonna put it back together in a second. So here actually we've got yeah, this guy, it's just gonna stay like that, I am assuming. There you go. And this guy is like the retainer kind of thing, which we can use to keep the bearing in place with this tool right over here. Is it from the right side? Yes. Why it's not staying? Oh, I need to do it nicer. It's not like the easiest. Yeah, now it's in. You can start with your finger like that, and then you can just use the tool and just hold it in place and rotate that until that's done up to the end like so. And then basically you're done. I mean, you just need to screw in this ring, this outer ring, and you screw in the central button like so. And you've just transformed, you see, that clicker into a pretty cool spinner. You can just hold it like that and have it spin like so, and be kind of almost silent, almost completely unobtrusive. Really, really cool. And it's lighter because you removed a lot of weight from these magnets. And just have it like that. You just, you know, just spin and spin and spin away. I mean, it's a pretty cool option indeed. Very, very nice. I like the weight to it. Let's actually check the weight. We're just gonna check both because I removed this part. So this guy is gonna weigh in at 3.07 ounces. So without the thing in the middle is gonna be 2.4 ounces. So super EDC-able indeed, and really, really nice and sleek piece. It looks pretty cool. If you're nostalgic, or if you're like over, I don't know, 30, 40 years old, you know what I'm talking about. That's a rotary dial phone. It's something cool, something nostalgic, feels great in the hand, awesome size, sounds amazing. I mean, with this guy mounted is loud, but with this it's so pleasant and really, really cool to play with. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.